time for some CVC word practice. Let's warm up with our sounds. A apple a, E egg I itch it, O octopus ah, U up On this page, we're going to say our sounds. The idea is you say the sounds before I do. We're going to go across first. I, qu, j, d, b, e, m, a, g, n, k, z, e, y. Now we're going to go from the top down. Again, say the sounds before I do. I, b, g, a, qu, e, n, j, m, k, a, d, a, z, y. You can come back to this page at any time to practice the letter sounds. It's important to be able to read the letter sounds quickly. Okay, so before we get into our word chaining, we're going to tap out some words and put some words together. So, my turn first. My turn, hip. Your turn, hip. My turn, zip. Your turn, zip. My turn, tap. Your turn, tap. My turn, pot. Your turn, pot. My turn, fin. Your turn, in. My turn, sip. Yes, sip. My turn, zap. Yes, zap. My turn, pat. Yes, pat. My turn, fig. Yes, fig. My turn, hop. Yes, hop. Okay, so now we're ready to do some word chaining. The first word is yes, that. I'm going to change a sound. So now my word says yes, mat. I'm changing another sound. Instead of mat, my word says yes, map. And now I'm going to change this sound. So instead of map, my word says yes, tap. Instead of tap, now my word says yes, tip. Instead of tip, now my word says yes, tin. Instead of tin, now my word says yes, pin. Instead of pin, now my word says yes, pit. Instead of pit, now my word says yes, sit. Instead of sit, now the word says yes, sat. Let's take a look at two sentences. If you need to pause the video now, go ahead, because it's important to try and read the words on your own first, and then we'll go over them together. Okay, first sentence. First word says it. Next word, is. Next word, a. Next word, cat. Let's read our sentence together. Ready? It is a cat. The next sentence, pause again if you need to read it on your own first, and then we'll go over it together. First word, yes, is. Next word, yes, it. Next word, yes, hot. Let's read our sentence together. Is it hot? Okay, we have some words that we're going to spell together. First word, say cop. Tap, cop. K-op. There are 3 sounds in cop. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. K-op. Spell cop. C-O-P. Cop. The next word is fit. Say fit. Tap fit. It. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. It. Spell fit. F-I-T. Fit. Say zip. Tap zip. Zip. There are 3 sounds in zip. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Zip. Spell zip. Z-I-P. Zip. The next word we're going to write is nap. Say nap. Tap nap. Nap. Let's write the letters as we say the 3 sounds in nap. N-A-P. Spell nap. N-A-P. Nap. Say did. Tap did. D-id. There are 3 sounds in did. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. D-id. Spell did. D-I-D. Okay, let's start at the top of the list and we're going to read the words that we wrote. First word, yes, cop. Word, yes, fit. Word, yes, zip. Word, yes, nap. Word, yes, did. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Word, 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 word. Okay, we have 2 sentences that we're going to write. So, the first sentence is, Sam is in bed. How many words are in that sentence? Sam is in bed. We're going to write a sentence with 4 words. Right now, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it to try writing the sentence on your own. It's always good practice to try on your own first. Now we can go over it. Sam is in bed. Sounds in Sam. Am. Finger space. Is. I-S. Is. Sounds in. In. Finger space. Sounds in bed. B-ed. And at the end of our sentence, we're going to use a period. Let's read our sentence together. Sam is in bed. The next sentence we're going to write says, it is fun to zip. Let's count the words in our sentence. It is fun to zip. We have 5 words in our sentence. If you need to take a minute to pause the video so that you can work on your sentence on your own first, go ahead and do that. And then we'll go over it. First word, it. It. Make sure you have that uppercase I in the word it because it's the beginning of the sentence. We have our finger space, is. I-S, is. It is fun, sounds in fun. Fun, finger space. How do we spell to? T-O, to. It is fun to. Finger space, sounds in zip. Zip. And because it's fun to zip, we're going to use an exclamation point. Let's reread our sentence. Ready? It is fun to zip. Good work today, friends. We'll see you next time.